The goat rules the world. He has dry bones. Steve the goat was walking home. His supervisor needed insurance. Then everyone dies. And then a plot twist. Saving the pony from further harm, the evil Disney Corporation steals its soul. Then death. An old man clones himself 800 times. Ray sets off on a journey to destroy evil Disney. She discovers that she's on the Matrix. Then a red shirt guy appears. Good dog, says Ray. The dog is here too. The dog saves the day. Entei turns into a dog. Now there are two. Dr. Doggo becomes one with the Force. Zora is stronger, you know! This movie has good boys. Then slaughter. Merry Christmas. Now the audience waits for the movie to load. Chatot slides into the underscores. There are no more than 5 underscores. Everyone dies except Revo because of his love for Chatot. Chatot also remains alive. Dog wins! Dog saves the galaxy. The end. Gandhi is a dog killer. Twist! Kills dog. Happy birthday, Waggle! Shrek wishes Waggle a happy birthday. It's all ogre. Now only an ogre deals in flying sheep. Pony Shrek. Brony Shrek. Now I'm a believer. Double team. The end. Unseen person tells a robot to shut up as credits roll.
Happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday.
Can we have a round of applause for Jeff, please?
Thank you, guys.
You did it, man.
That's the most beautiful thing I ever heard, man.
I want everyone in the stream to know
That was perfect.
I love all of
I
you.
cannot wait for
I
this.
rated 8 out of 8. Beautiful.
5 out of
I
7.
give it a
Perfect
perfect
score.
5 out of 7.
Yeah, perfect 5 out of 7.
Well
Same
done,
way
Jeff.
Thank you.
Too much now.
Oh my God.
that now.
Please forward all charity.
Oh god, that was good.
All right, that was great. Okay.
Already tell you this will break.
All right, so now we gotta pitch this to Disney. Hang on a second.
We got it. Okay.